Yo, what is up, guys? Today another trade recap. So today was a interesting day, I would say. But coming in today, I was looking kind of bullish for the day being. But today was kind of weird because when NQ started going up on market open, ES started dumping straight away. So that was kind of a bit weird because they were both moving in two separate ways. So overall, today technically I took three trades, but one was on the eval and two were on the XFAs. So coming into today, I was first bullish, but something that I did kind of like to see us do while we were bullish was if I remove start new if I remove all of this. So for example, this is like the bullet what we can see. So something I did like to see if I went on a 1 hour, I marked out these levels. I marked out my levels. I marked out these levels. What does this align with? Like a 1 hour hourly fair value gap. We sweep these lows, these relative equal lows around here, and we have like more fair value gaps around there on the 50-minute as well. So I kind of wanted to see price sweep these lows at least and come down to like rebalance around that level that I marked out. So I was a bit more leaning towards short because I wanted to see go there, but I was overall bullish, thinking price would go higher, right? Despite that, uh, at what point would I not be bullish anymore if we would, for example, sweep this low or these lows? Like, yeah. But despite that, I will show you what happened. So, right off market open, we go higher, but I was already thinking yes, it's dumping, so this might be some weird range that's gonna happen. We failed to sweep this high. So, when we fail to sweep the next high, for example, what we here, I could have marked out as a rejection block, I think. Yeah, that's actually a rejection block. So I could have marked this out as a rejection block, but I did not because I didn't realize there was one, but there was. So that's on me. But despite that, I see this what do you call this? This massive fair value gap getting made. So I was basically waiting for us to inverse this gap, right? I was a bit late to the move, but I was waiting for us to inverse this gap to go short. Why? Because I had like these underlying lows, and like I think these relative equal lows were like a really good draw on liquidity. So I was waiting for that. Uh, Eventually we get the inversion, but I did not take it from this inversion right away. I took this when this move randomly came because I kind of missed this move. I would probably take it something like this. I only took this on my eval. I took this with like. I only took this on my eval. I only took this towards my maximum daily loss, maximum daily win, because I have a 40% consistency rule, so I cannot make that much in one day. So I took it to down here, 200 points. So that's all I took. That played out pretty well, pretty quickly as well. So that was a TP on the eval. After that, I started looking for a trade on my XFAs. So after that, I was still bullish. Why? We had like this higher time frame OT level, right? This level. I was waiting for us to respect this. What were my draws? But something I kind of noticed I did wrong while doing this was this. I took my entry from somewhere around here. I took something. Actually, no, I did not take this. I took it from this, like this rejection block, I think. Yeah, I marked out this rejection block. My long entry was around here to here, so I think we eventually get tapped in right there, right? I was targeting these highs back up in here or something. So we get stopped out on that. So the thing I kind of managed to do wrong on this trade is that I did not manage it pretty well because, and price is clearly showing me bearishness, right? We never sweep this high. We are still within this hourly, 1 minute bearish value gap, and price is clearly sweeping the previous lows. With that in mind, I could say, okay, price is not moving the way I want to, and just take the break-even trade because we're not in optimal trading. Optimal trading. We're not in optimal trading circumstances right now. How we can notice this is that we're ES is going all the way down and NQ is not. and we're chopping around. So with that in mind, I could just say, okay, I'm protecting my stop loss, I'm protecting my capital, I'm gonna go break even. I did have that in mind, but I was like too fixated on the fact that we could possibly make the move back up, and that resulted me in taking that loss. Would have been if I took break even would have been better, but I mean, it still was a trade that I did, and I have to own up to it. So the next trade I took was a short, because at this point I was being more short than bullish. Why? If I also looked on this, this looked like low liquidity, this like low resistance liquidity that we could all sweep out, which we did. And then I was looking, okay, where's the retracement? So we had this beautiful 5-minute aligned with this 3-minute OT level. So all I did was wait for this 5-minute to get filled right there, and then the next candle that I printed did not move higher. So this next candle move higher, then that's where I entered. I was a bit skeptical because this might be a reversal, but I was pretty good. I was pretty strong on this draw that would get hit. So that's one reason why I went short. But okay, then we moved down. But the thing I kind of as well did a bit weird in this trade is that I usually take less high R trades. So usually I would have maybe just taken this, but because I took that loss, I wanted a bigger win because I lost, and to make back that win plus some more, I wanted a bigger win. So yeah, that's why I targeted a bit lower, which is not specifically a good thing. My original target was like all the way down here, but I'm thinking, yo, this is not gonna if this hits, it's gonna take me a while. So I targeted this. I think if I targeted down there, I would have also been hit, also gonna hit. So I would have taken a way longer time, because like you see all the chop, I would have needed to sit through all of this chop. Then we come a bit higher. So if I did not throw my stop loss here, I would have gotten stopped out. But if I did not, then I would have hit a TP right there. So overall, I did make a couple mistakes. I would not say like me not going out on break even is a mistake, but like a thing I could consider when markets are not showing my optimal trading circumstances. Me failing to like go out, that's a mistake, I would say. Going for more profits is kind of a mistake, but even then it worked out, but like it's not a good habit to have. So looking back on it, I did make some more profit, but was it worth? Like not really, because I could have just, even then if I target this, would have been a 200-day profit day. So I would have made like a 280, because that loss was like around 80. So it would have been a 200-day, 200 plus day. But overall, we managed to get a 253 win. So yeah, that's I mean, I cannot complain about that. So yeah. Was there more? So we're getting closer to the 2K buffer. When I'm at 2K buffer, I'm gonna start just making profits for payouts at that point. So yeah, I'm gonna look forward to that. The accounts are copy traded, so yeah, I don't know what more to say. Today was an okay day, so tomorrow another trading day. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next videos, which is tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watch these videos, yeah, I'm gonna keep doing the same stuff, and maybe we win tomorrow, maybe we not. But like, yeah, thank you guys for watching.